leak here. Don't want to shut the water off to the whole building as the restaurants are busy. Got a shark bite 1/2-inch valve on there. This is for the swamp cooler. So this unit's got a 1/4-inch supply line. Thing is, this is going to give us serviceability up here on the roof. To rinse everything down, we just disconnect and we use the garden hose adapter, right? I'm gonna get wet, I know I am. Yeah. I'm not taking the time to go shut the water off if I don't have to. This is don't leave a burr. So you want to make sure you're using your cutter. You don't want to put heavy loads on the wheel to cut it. You want to put a very, very light load. So when you do actually make the full cut, you don't have an inside burr for that shark bite to get caught up on. Otherwise, you're going to be sitting here playing in the water trying to deburr it to get that to work if you don't destroy it. Otherwise, you're going to be running down looking for a valve to shut it off, which is what we were trying to avoid.